This is the Sanis wireless speaker mount. It lets you put your wireless speakers wherever you need them. Designed for the Sonos One, Play One, and Play 3 speakers, as well as other wireless speakers with similar mounting holes. You can swivel and tilt your speaker to get the perfect listening angle, no tools required. Get immersive audio with a clean look in your kitchen, home theater, or anywhere else. These speaker mounts offer total placement flexibility. They're the perfect solution to position speakers for home theater, surround sound, or stereo pairing. Plus, they're available in black and white and as both pairs and singles to accommodate your exact needs. Easy 3-step installation takes only 10 minutes and can be done on drywall, wood studs, or concrete walls. Simply mark and drill 2 holes to attach mount wall plate to the wall. For the Sonos One, rotate your speaker upside down if mounting above eye level. Insert 2 anchors so that it's flush with the drywall. Secure the wall plate to the wall, level, and then tighten. Attach the interface to your mount with the included screw. Next, let's connect the patented Sanis InvisiGrip wires, designed to custom fit your Sonos One speaker and hold it securely, all while blending in for an understated design. Remove screws for Sonos One speaker wire and open clamps. Just a tip, it's easiest to align the wires on your speaker on a flat surface. Align the wires between the speaker grill and plastic housing for the perfect fit. Once the wires are properly aligned, attach them to the clamps and close them, secure with screws. For the Sonos Play One and other wireless speakers, attach the speaker to the mount with the speaker screw. To mount the Sonos Play 3 vertically, attach the speaker interface to the mount with the screw. Insert both legs into the 4th holes from the top. Secure with the speaker screw. To mount the Sonos Play 3 horizontally, attach the speaker interface to the mount with the screw. Insert both legs into the 4th holes from the end. Secure with the speaker screw. Install your cables and slide the speaker onto the wall plate. Finish it off with the cap detail. If you have the Sonos One, you can still access your Sonos Infinity button through the hole on the mount with the provided tool. That's it. Your new audio setup is ready to enjoy. All Sanis speaker mounts are safety tested, UL certified, and feature a 10-year warranty.